touch it.
Put this up there for me. Look at the size of that pufferfish. That's the biggest pufferfish I've ever seen. Oh my gosh.
Oh my.
It is time to feed Miss Pudding. Today she's going to be eating some...
Hey, what you going through, my boy? Yeah, lay it on up.